So today we're starting with sorting out the garden, and as you can see, it's a little bit of a foresty endeavor. Quite a bit of things growing everywhere, and it all needs to be handled by hand. We can't get any major equipment in here, and we've also got what we call in Belgium brandnetel, which is a plant that you can see right there that really stings when it touches you. So everything needs to be done with special gloves. Now, that portion over there that you see is equal to this heap that I've removed over there. And as you can see, the amount of roots that gets taken out is just enormous. So it's going to be quite a task. I don't think it's going to take me just one weekend, probably a couple. Follow along. Okay, so in everything that I've been doing, I seem to have uncovered some form of a manhole of some kind. No idea what it is and what it's doing here in the middle of the garden. I mean, if I can switch this thing around, if I can figure it out. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Yeah, it seems like I'm not going to get this done. So we're at the end of the weekend. It's been a tough one. Managed to get quite a bit done. I'm going to go like this, show you guys what I've achieved this weekend. So about a third of the yard, roughly, maybe a quarter. I've taken out all the brandnetel, everything else ready to plant back the grass the next couple of weeks. Sorry. It's been a tough one. I've discovered quite a bit of trees, some kind of rose that was just all over the place. Challenges, pieces of wood. You wouldn't believe everything I found. Roof tiles. That's just been a fun one. As you can see, I ran out of time a little bit. I've still got a bit of a heap to take away, but that'll have to wait until next weekend. For now, I need to go back home, get something to eat, and rest up and get back to work next week. Just to give you an idea, this is what I took out of the garden this weekend. So, a small little heap. Stay tuned.